All right, so I'm going to show you today how to access your Momenta email address on a desktop. The first thing that you're going to need to do is open up Google Chrome, which can be found if there isn't a link on your taskbar like mine or on your desktop through the search menu. Mine's a little bit unusual. It's instead of clicking these four bars, I search here. But essentially open your start menu and search for Google Chrome to open the application. And you should see this window pop up. Once you do, there are three dots in the top right, which will allow you to select New Incognito Window from a drop-down menu, and that is the window we want to go ahead and open. Once you are here, there is a URL that you're going to need to paste into your address bar or manually type in, and that is https://danco-exch16.danco-group.com/OWA. And once you have that entered, go ahead and click enter, and you should see this screen pop up. Now, unlike a usual email address, we're not going to be entering in the full email. So for instance, we have Momenta Recovery as our new user. Instead of entering mrecovery@momentarecovery.com, we only want the username. So everything that comes before this @ sign. And that's going to be the username portion of this top bar. The domain is danco-group. So that's your domain. You want to go ahead and enter a / after that, which can be typically found in above the enter key on a traditional keyboard and below the backspace key right there on the right hand side of your keyboard. And then the username, which is mrecovery in this case. Or for you, your first initial followed by your last name, or everything that comes before that @ sign in your email address. Then you want to go ahead and enter the password that we preset for you and click sign in. Now you're coming to a page which will want you to change your password. Go ahead and re-enter your current one. This should be the exact same as you entered on the previous page. Enter the current password that we have set for you, and then choose a new password. It will need to be a little bit more complex than something all lowercase. It needs to have a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as a combination of letters and numbers and characters, just to make sure that it passes the difficulty levels. And I'll show you what happens if it's not difficult enough. So if your password is not complex enough, you will see this error message. The username or password you entered isn't correct. Try entering it again. Okay. So this is the error message you'll see if your password does not meet security requirements. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you enter a password that will. Click submit, and you should come to a screen that says your password has been changed. You can then click OK to sign in with that new password that you just set. Click sign in. Now you should be prompted to select your time zone. For Momenta employees, we are in Mountain Time. Click save, and your mailbox should be open. The last thing that you'll need to do is add your email signature. So go ahead and do that by clicking Settings at the top here, and then Options. At the bottom here, we have Email Signature. Go ahead and click that. And then you'll have a box pop up where you can copy and paste the signature that we provided you with. I'll paste mine just to show you. And for me, the logo didn't pop up. but make sure to click these boxes, automatically include my signature on new messages I compose and on messages I forward or reply to, and click save. And this should be grayed out after you've saved it. And then once you compose a new message, you should see your email signature there. Now, if you get this thing that I have here on mine where the image actually didn't populate, how you fix that is by just downloading the image onto your desktop. And then when you're entering your email signature, you'll want to go ahead and click the image here and select, you know, the signature from your desktop, wherever you saved it. But we're not going to do that today. And that's it.